Hello, dinguses. This is technically not a face reveal because I hope to dear God that that's not going to happen. But I got a calculator and I'm going to unbox it like dank pods. Look at this. I have everything except computer algebra system. Why can't there be a calculator with everything? This is expensive. I'm just going to open this dingus. Look. I don't have a good setup because I'm using my phone now. Of course. I don't have a little tripod. This is just gonna be. You can say hello to my sock for now. I've done unboxings in the past. Oh, this is a collectible. We should save it, for valuable. Valuables. Okay, so we got like a weird. This is a. Look how old this cord is. This is a mini USB. Okay, dinguses. All right. So we got the cords. Look how old these cables are. I mean, that's actually not old. I'm pretty sure that's like newer than micro USB. I mean that is what I use for my 3DS. Hold on, this is just unrelated, but I'm gonna show it anyways. Who knows what theme is gonna come on today? Which theme is going to open today? Oh, my Kakashi, my Itachi theme. Fuck. I said duck. Okay, I said duck. It's fine. I don't care. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we got some like manuals here. We got some manuals. So we got like a manual, a dingus that I can't read because it's all in Spanish. Oh, they got colorful ones. Oh, I got the gray one. I want the blue one. Oh, well, I don't care. Then we have another dingus. Do not discard. I will throw this away. I swear to gosh. Darn. Dingus. The 7th. Emulator software. When is this? Emulator software for the TI-84 Plus. Well, you see that cares thing? Yeah, nobody. Okay, so I don't actually know if this thing is gonna be charged. I've already got smudges on it. No, where's my cleaning pad? No. Okay, so let me just take it out of this nice case it's in. Come on, give me my nugget. Give me my. It's supposed to slide out. Give me my nugget. Give me my nugget. Give me my nugget. Give me my. Oh no. Oh, I got smudges on it. Oh, this is a collectible. I got my nugget. So how do I turn this darn thing on? Dingus. Oh, it's an on button. Yeah, I've played with one of these before. On is here. It's Shark! RAM cleared. Okay, so this is boring, and like I'll make a total like video on this because I'll make a video on this, and after I make the video on this, it'll be cool because I made a video on it, right? So I'm gonna make the video on this. I'm gonna put Tetris on here because I'm cool, and it's a short video, I know, but it's funny because I unboxed something for the first time. I need to get a wireless charger. They don't have one of those dinguses in there. Wait. So they have this weird dingus, which is like a charger, but it goes both ways. And then this other weird dingus, which like connects to your computer or to charge it. Oh, this thing's gonna die. But I mean, it was factory, so the RAM cleared thingy. Huh? What's SAT, ACT, AP? I don't know. Algebra and programming. Yep, I need none of that. Like, I'm probably going to use that for school. I only want programming. Yeah, that's something cool you can do with a phone. And I got Texas Instrument, which is weird because when do they have a Louisiana instrument or any other frickin' state? I'm turning this thing off. Right. Second off. I've actually learned how to use this, so I'm just going to give you like a quick rundown. I don't know any of these math things or any of this. I actually don't remember like much of this. But so the second is the blue shit. I'm swearing in this video because I don't care. I didn't mean to swear. I'm tired. I don't know what to do anymore. Okay, and the green one, is all the green crap. Look at this. You see the green? Yeah, that's green, obviously. I don't know why I'm telling this to people that probably aren't 4-year-olds. I've already got a hair in there. And then you get the cool stuff, like you get the delete button, and you can get like all of the like whatever dinguses that'll like tell you like math and equations and pie charts and stuff and circumference of a triangle, circle, square, the whole shebang, the whole shtick. It's everything. It's everything. Funny thing about being a faceless YouTuber is that I don't make any real life content because I don't want to put my face in it. But as you can see my very nice legs and my hand. You can also see my other hand. This is a weird video. I don't know. But I guess I have more gestures now. I'm not showing my face. Nothing's going to have a reflection of my face. Look, you can see the phone. Yeah, the little smiley face. That's my pop socket. But yeah, I'm not going to show any of my face or anything because I'm that kind of guy. Okay, well, this is just a random video I made. Yeah, all right, peace.